I heard there's gonna be a storm tonight.
Really? I heard it on the news. It's gonna be crazy.
There's gonna be a huge... There's gonna be a lot of flooding tonight, and I didn't get any supplies at all.
Oh, we should have something back there, right?
We should. I think I should go get it.
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
Good.
I got everything inside the house.
Awesome. So, they say it's gonna be really, really boring today.
Yeah, we're gonna be stuck in here for a while. By the way, there's an alien downstairs.
Yeah, okay, you're not gonna win.
Hello? A blackout? Alright, Edwin, I'm on my way. It's Edwin. I have to go pick him up. He has a blackout.
Okay, alright, bye.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's up, Edwin?
You know, it's cold, man. It's cold, super cold.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yo, this blackout, bro, this rain, took out my light. And, you already know, man. Oh, wait, hold on,
No, it's cool, man. Don't
Yo,
worry.
you got food in your house? I'm hungry, man.
Yeah, I got a couple pizzas at home.
Ah,
Okay.
great. Alright, we out. Thank you, Stuart, for letting me come into your house and sleep over, you know?
Yeah, no problem.
Hey, what's up?
Hey,
How you
what's up?
doing?
I brought pizza.
Good. Awesome.
Oh, I
So,
forgot,
what we doing tonight? What
I
game
forgot
we
the
have?
soda.
Oh, you forgot the soda?
Right here.
Cool!
Well, tonight we gonna party till the party don't stop. And the party don't stop because it keeps on going non-stop. Gonna party all night, gonna keep this party going cause the party won't stop. It's been 2 straight days.
Where are the cops?
Oh, yeah. Smart idea. I'll come back. Don't worry, I got it.
You got
I
it?
got you.
Oh, okay. So, what's your news? Oh, that don't matter. We're getting the cops.
Till it's Friday again and the party keeps going.